Picture this. A year from now, the most successful people in AI aren't programmers or data scientists, but everyday folks who've mastered a handful of powerful skills. We're witnessing a tech revolution that's putting incredible tools in the hands of anyone willing to learn. This isn't science fiction, it's happening right now. Teachers, designers, entrepreneurs, and students are using AI to automate, build, and earn in ways we've never seen before. The barrier to entry for creating impactful solutions is lower than ever. You're not too late, but you do have to move fast. This video reveals 9 essential AI skills you need to learn before everyone else does, or risk getting left behind. Let's dive in. First up, prompt engineering. It's about learning to communicate with AI effectively. Think of AI models as smart interns. They need clear, specific instructions. Vague prompts get vague results. The quality of your input determines the quality of the output. Be precise. Give context, define format, specify tone. For example, instead of write a blog post about coffee, try act as a seasoned barista. Write a 500-word post for beginners comparing Arabica and Robusta beans, focusing on taste, caffeine, and brewing methods. Iteration is key. Analyze the AI's output, refine your prompt, and repeat. This skill isn't about coding, but about directing your AI assistant. Most frustrations with AI come from unclear prompts. Mastering prompt engineering gives you a huge advantage. Think of it as search engine skills, but supercharged. The better you ask, the better you receive. This is the foundation for everything else we'll cover. Next, AI-assisted software development is changing the game. You no longer need to be a seasoned coder to build apps or automations. Tools like Replit and Cursor let you describe what you want in plain language, and the AI generates the code. Need a custom dashboard or tool? AI can scaffold it for you, even if you're not technical. AI also helps debug, explain, and refactor code, making development faster for everyone. For entrepreneurs, this means you can solve niche problems and create products without hiring a developer. The focus shifts from writing code to identifying problems and architecting solutions. Understanding app logic and clearly articulating requirements to AI are now the critical skills. This empowers a new wave of creators. You don't need to be a hardcore programmer, just a good problem solver. AI turns your ideas into software faster than ever. Now let's talk AI design and art. Tools like Midjourney and DALL-E let anyone create stunning visuals just by describing them. Need a YouTube thumbnail, blog illustration, or product concept? Type your idea and AI generates it in minutes. This unlocks creativity for content creators, marketers, and small businesses. No design degree required. Designers use AI for inspiration and rapid prototyping, while non-designers can create assets on demand. The more descriptive your prompt, the better the result. It's a new creative toolkit, where language meets art. What would you create if you could generate any image with a prompt? AI video editing is revolutionizing content creation. AI tools now automate transcription, captioning, and even cut out filler words or silences, saving hours of manual work. They help with color correction, audio enhancement, and suggest B-roll, making editing faster and more accessible. Of course, creators and YouTubers can produce more content, update videos easily, and focus on creativity instead of tedious edits. Some tools even generate entire video sequences from scripts with AI voiceovers and visuals. You can now create high-quality videos without a camera or mic. AI avatars and text-to-speech are making faceless, automated video production a reality. The possibilities for content creation are expanding fast. Imagine running a channel without ever stepping in front of the camera. AI writing is transforming how we communicate. Tools like Jasper and ChatGPT help you draft, refine, and brainstorm everything from emails to blog posts. They speed up writing, help overcome writer's block, and let you focus on strategy and creativity. Freelancers can take on more projects and meet deadlines with AI's help. Non-native speakers can write more fluently and confidently. Use AI as an assistant, not a replacement. Always fact-check and add your unique voice. Ethical use matters. Disclose when content is AI-generated. Would you trust AI to help with your resume or cover letter? This skill is about writing smarter, not just faster. AI content marketing helps you scale your online presence. AI assists with topic ideation, keyword research, content creation, and repurposing. Write one blog post, Then use AI to turn it into social posts, video scripts, and newsletters. This multiplies your reach and keeps your brand consistent across platforms. Solo creators can compete with bigger teams by working smarter. AI analyzes performance, suggests optimizations, and even A/B tests headlines. It's like having a data-driven marketing assistant. Which platform do you find hardest to keep up with? AI can help you master it. No-code AI automation gives you back hours every week. Tools like Zapier and Bardeen let you automate repetitive tasks, no coding needed. Connect your apps, set up triggers and actions, and let AI handle the rest. Automate things like data entry, email follow-ups, or report generation. AI-powered automations can now summarize, categorize, and draft responses. Start by mapping your manual tasks, then automate what you can. Even small time savings add up fast. Free your mind for more creative and strategic work. AI data analysis puts powerful insights at your fingertips. Upload a spreadsheet, ask questions in plain English, and get instant answers and visualizations. Tools like ChatGPT's advanced data analysis and Julius AI democratize analytics for everyone. Business owners can quickly spot trends, forecast sales, and identify opportunities, no coding required. AI can even analyze feedback and reviews to spot emerging trends. You don't need to be a data scientist, just know what to ask. Leverage AI to make smarter decisions in any field. It's like having a data expert on call. No-code AI agent development is the next frontier. Build autonomous AI agents to handle complex, multi-step tasks, no programming needed. Configure agents to monitor news, manage customer support, or run your social media. Chain together different AI tools visually, orchestrating workflows without code. These agents adapt, learn, and make decisions to achieve your goals. Businesses can deploy teams of AI agents for routine operations, freeing up humans for strategic work. Imagine an AI agent running an entire YouTube channel for you. This skill is about designing and managing your own AI workforce. Those are 9 powerful AI skills shaping the future. You don't need to learn them all. Just start with one that excites you or solves a real problem. Watch a tutorial, try it on a project, and share your results. The barrier to entry is lower than ever. Resources are everywhere. Move from passive learning to active experimentation. While others debate AI, you'll be using it. Which AI skill will you learn first? Drop it in the comments, like, and subscribe for more. The future favors the bold.